Boom shakalaka, did you not expect Bitcoin's price to double in the last year? Well, you are not alone. Today's video, we're going to take a look back a year ago to see were there any indicators that Bitcoin was about to make some major moves. Stay tuned. Boom shakalaka, the biggest evidence for a massive Bitcoin rally. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at some massive evidence for a Bitcoin rally. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love. Push that like button. Today, Extreme Fear 20, same as yesterday. The overall market down 1% today. Bitcoin at 16,465, Ethereum at 1182, BNB at 296, XRP 40 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Cardano 31 cents, and Polygon 83 cents. And Bitcoin right now in this descending wedge, right now coming up to potential resistance at the 20-day moving average, right now around $17,150. Now, this pattern, this descending wedge, generally a bullish pattern. Not only that, but we've broken out of a year-long downtrend. All of these things could be causing a reversal in Bitcoin price. But that being said, world stocks have had the fewest positive trading days in over a decade. If we take a look back here, we are down at the same levels we were at the very bottom of the housing crisis, also at the very bottom of the dot-com bubble. This is pretty much the worst we've seen in almost 30 years. Also, we take a look at the bear market. Bears are everywhere in the market. The bull ratio 10-period moving average is at its second lowest reading in 2 decades. The last time it was this low was the 1990s. My goodness, investors might be in for a surprise. Certainly could if things turn around, because despite Bitcoin price going down, long-term holders continue to load up. As a matter of fact, they're increasing their rate of stacking sats. And if we take a look at the level of the stacking right now, similar to what we saw right here before it took off in 2020. So that being said, Bitcoin right now, comparing it with the OBV, the on-balance volume, weekly bullish divergence, what we're seeing now, very similar to what we saw back in 2020 before price took off. With the price going down, OBV going up, we have the same thing happening. Price going down, OBV going up, potentially a nice run for Bitcoin in the cards, because on a 14-day time frame, we see a similar bear market structure compared to 2019 with a prolonged bottoming capitulation phase. Other than that, decreased risk investment at such low prices. You can see the same thing. We had price sell-off, a little bit of a triangle capitulation right here, Chaikin money flow bouncing off the bottom right there, longer accumulation period right now, but otherwise looking pretty similar. Right now, the Bitcoin bottom should be very, very close. Bitcoin has been in the RSI channel since 2013. You can see down here on the bottom. In 2015 and 2017, it left the channel briefly. That marked the bottom and the top at that time. You can see the bottom down here, the top there. Well, we have once again left that channel, suggesting maybe this could be bottom decision phase 2022-2023. Which brings us to this chart, very highly suggestive of a Bitcoin breakout. The DXY broke down the parabolic curve we can see right here on a green line. Multiple indicators are showing the same behavior as 2015. Bitcoin followed afterwards with a massive bull market. So what are those signals? Well, overbought zone maintained and then broke that zone on the stock RSI. Loss of momentum and uptrend to downtrend in the MACD, and also loss of momentum and breakdown moving average in the RSI. We see all of those things happened in 2015, right before Bitcoin went on an absolute tear. Could we see the same thing happening in Bitcoin? Absolutely. Which brings us to this chart right here from TechDev. I'm thankful for the 18-month falling wedges right here. You can get Bitcoin at a discount. As a matter of fact, it's an amazing Black Friday sale for Bitcoin today. He thinks next year others will be grateful for this falling wedge too, because generally falling wedges are bullish like we were talking about. Uptrend going into them, falling wedge, uptrend coming out of them. But seriously, remember what matters today. Getting to the store first and buying everything you can. So, love to all. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.